Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey this chart pattern that I have right here, which is an ascending channel, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, give us a successful retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4839 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5718 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And since we have continued to obey this ascending channel, which is right here, that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. Once we see the breakout to the upper side, I'll be watching for a successful retest of that key area, that is the upper side of the channel. And once the retest is in and a success, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, fully maximize our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $0.5712 mark. And once we fully maximize our target areas, there are high chances that we might continue gearing up, since that is just a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting Fantom to give us one more high above the fib level 1.618. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, and also above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Fantom chart, basing it on this Elliot structure right here in yellow, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2 within this yellow target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, which is just the Elliot wave structure that has just given me the short-term scenarios, having the target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $0.5712 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.